All right, we've previous videos we've talked about how you join a meeting, but what about scheduling a meeting, letting other people know in advance you'd like to meet and collaborate on video? Now, how do you go about that in a way that's not taking them away from their familiar environment? If we look at a standard Outlook client, a standard Outlook environment, what we can enable is an additional menu item for both launching a meeting directly from within the client, but then also defining an appointment. So what I'll do here is I'll just initiate an appointment request, and that enables me to um, give the calendar name or the calendar entry a name for the meeting type. So I'll put Andy's demo. We're going to schedule it for let's see, put that at 2:30, and then what appears in the automated invite is both the room name, and then it gives you the access details, depending whether you're joining on a trusted device, so Skype for Business, for example, where you just need to input the direct name, or if it's an unknown third-party device like a video room, it will then give you the actual address that will work from wherever you are, even if you're not on the network. And then finally, we also have the option, and these could appear or be masked for audio dial-in for those that can't do that. So if I then save that, that's then now added a meeting invite to my calendar, and then I can send that meeting invite out to whatever participants want to join the meeting. So that's one piece of it. Second piece of it, maybe is even the most powerful, is to start a meeting. What that will do is that I can pre-configure a meeting room that's associated with my account. It could be a team room, or it could be what we call a personal room. And what that means is with the click of a button, if I want to do an ad hoc meeting, or if I'm hosting a meeting, rather than having to go into a separate interface, I can launch that directly. Now, what you see in this case is because I've got my Skype for Business client running, it's launched my Skype for Business um, environment straight away. Now, alternatively, if I wasn't running Skype for Business, it would then navigate to the browser interface, which I'll just cycle over to here. It will navigate to the browser interface and then would go through the join a meeting dialog, which would then take me into the meeting space, but through the browser environment rather than the richer Skype for Business environment. So just a quick view of the plugins that appear part of Outlook to give you the ability, first of all, to schedule meetings and to send invites out. And then secondly, to initiate the meeting from within Outlook, again, making it simple to deploy, simple to use, and easy for your users to understand.